President Donald Trump signed an executive order establishing a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. That's right. The U.S. government is now officially embracing Bitcoin as a strategic asset. Let's dive into what this means for crypto markets and global finance. First off, let's talk about what happened. President Trump has given Bitcoin the official nod, making it part of the U.S. financial system. This is the first time a major government has incorporated cryptocurrency into its national reserve strategy. And it's not just Bitcoin on the table. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano are also being considered for future inclusion. Historic, right? So, why Bitcoin and why now? Well, there are a few key reasons. For starters, global trade tensions are rising, especially with China. There are growing concerns about the dominance of the US dollar in global trade. And let's not forget the emergence of alternative payment systems, including efforts by BRICS nations to de-dollarize trade. All these factors make Bitcoin an attractive hedge against economic instability. But why Bitcoin specifically? Think of it as digital gold. It's decentralized, borderless, and scarce. With a fixed supply of 21 million coins, it's immune to currency debasement. In times of economic uncertainty, that's a big deal. And institutional and retail investors alike see this as a validation of Bitcoin's long-term potential. Secondly, we can expect increased institutional participation. Pension funds, asset managers, and corporate treasuries will likely increase their allocations to Bitcoin. They see it as both a hedge and a strategically important asset. And thirdly, Bitcoin's new status boosts confidence in the broader crypto market. This includes assets like Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano, which could see knock-on benefits. So what does this mean for the global financial system and tariff wars? By holding Bitcoin, the U.S. is hedging against trade and currency risks. This reduces reliance on any one currency system, including the U.S. dollar itself. It's also a preemptive strike against BRICS nations developing alternative payment systems. And let's not forget financial sovereignty and sanctions resilience. Holding Bitcoin allows the U.S. to maintain financial flexibility if targeted by future economic sanctions. Much like gold, Bitcoin can serve as a sanctions-resistant reserve asset. Now, what are the opportunities for investors? First, there's direct Bitcoin exposure. This executive order is a long-term validation signal for Bitcoin. Accumulating Bitcoin, particularly on market dips, could align your portfolio with the U.S. strategic reserve strategy. Next, consider Bitcoin-linked stocks and ETFs. This includes Bitcoin mining companies, publicly traded firms with large Bitcoin holdings, and spot Bitcoin ETFs. These are likely to become increasingly attractive to long-term investors. And don't overlook infrastructure and service providers. Companies offering Bitcoin custody, security, and compliance solutions could benefit as the U.S. government, banks, and corporate treasuries seek safe and compliant ways to hold Bitcoin. For tech innovators, this is a golden opportunity. You can build resilient cross-border payment systems leveraging Bitcoin's liquidity. Smart contract integrations for trade settlements using Layer 2 networks like Lightning could also play a critical role. And let's not forget decentralized finance, DeFi, on Bitcoin. Developers can build Bitcoin-native DeFi solutions for borrowing, lending, and earning yield. Of course, there are risks and criticisms. Bitcoin's price volatility could impact the value of U.S. reserves. There's also regulatory and political uncertainty. Future administrations could reverse course on Bitcoin's reserve status, and some analysts warn of a global backlash, accelerating BRICS nations' development of a sovereign, blockchain-based payment system bypassing both USD and Bitcoin. Now, let's wrap this up. Trump's executive order officially establishing a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve is a historic step. It cements Bitcoin's place in the global financial system. Digital assets are here to stay, not just as speculative instruments, but as foundational pillars of 21st century finance. Whether you're an investor, tech enthusiast, or entrepreneur, now is the time to act. Want to start your crypto journey or expand your portfolio? Use my referral link to sign up for top exchanges, secure wallets, and Bitcoin earning platforms today. Don't miss out on the future of money. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.